Okay, so welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the LG XBOOM GO PN7, which was recently released by LG as kind of like a successor to the P something 7, the one I've already made a video on the other one. So this one hopefully upgraded a little bit, and it already looks nicer from the picture on the front. So I don't have a filming buddy today, so I'm just doing this by myself. So yeah, it's not going to be as good, obviously. So you got this polystyrene here. It's very nice already. Very nice looking speaker, I think. I've always liked the design, and I think the biggest thing you'll notice from the other one is that it's only got one handle. The other one had two, and the handle's got some nice, if I can focus in there, you can see the little thing like padding, instead of the other one being quite sharp and actually quite painful to hold. So there's that. And then in the bottom we've got whatever this is. It might take me a while to open it with one hand. So we've got some manuals over here, which no one's probably ever going to look at. And see, now that's interesting, and also quite bad, really. All they give you with this is a USB-C cable, and then no brick or anything to charge it with. I'm assuming it has quite a large battery, so you're going to need more than, well, where does this USB plug into? That's really, I don't know why they've done that. It's like they're trying to copy Apple. That's very weird, to be honest. So I'm not sure, like, because if you just plug that into your computer or whatever, I'm not sure how well that's really going to work. Yeah, so on the manual it says you plug it into an AC adapter which is not supplied. So yeah, you just have to find your own one. Wow. So that is not a good start, really. I mean, obviously I like to be provided with, you know, a way to charge the thing. So that's pretty awful. But apart from that, the speaker feels very nice quality. This is IPX5 water resistant, which is I think it's better than the previous one. So yeah, it's got a DTS, whatever that is, the stereo plus sound and the sound boost. Obviously it will have the same lights as it did before. And then on the back here, 1 second. That is very painful to open. You've got your ports, so you've got the USB-C and aux in, a reset button, and that's the button to pair other speakers. So yeah, there isn't a whole lot going on here. Obviously it's quite a simple speaker. This is only 90 quid as well, but if you want to see a full review, you can go watch that video, or a sound test. That video should be up soon as well. So thank you.